Tony-Upnet, world's leading infrastructure provider.
Hello everyone, I'm Trung Bui. In this article, I will guide you on how to back up and restore your WordPress website data using the all-in-one WP migration plugin. This is a powerful tool that makes moving your website, backing up data, or cloning your website simple and fast, even for beginners. First, you need to install the all-in-one WP migration plugin from the WordPress library. Go to the WordPress admin dashboard and select Plugins to add a new one. Search for All-in-One WP Migration. Choose the version that has backup in its name like this. Click on it and install right away. If you need to back up or restore websites larger than 512 megabytes, the default limit of the free version, you'll need to install the unlimited extension to remove the size restriction. Wait until you see the word active, then click on it. After fully installing and activating the plugin, follow these steps to back up your site. Step 1. Go to All-in-One WP Migration and select the Export option. In the Export section, select File and wait for it to generate the file, then click to download it. Now, let's move to the other website to test it out. Access the admin page for the All-in-One WP Migration plugin from the WordPress library like before, or choose to upload the file you already downloaded to install it like this. Wait for it to finish installing, then click to activate the plugin. After you have the plugin, go to the Import section, select the backup file you downloaded, and proceed with the installation. If you see successfully like this, then it's all good. Now let's try loading the new website to see if it works. It's working now. The All-in-One WP Migration plugin is an ideal solution for backing up, restoring, and migrating WordPress websites with just a few clicks. Thanks to its intuitive and easy-to-use interface, complex tasks like cloning or backing up a website have now become incredibly simple, even if you don't have in-depth technical knowledge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel to support me in creating more great content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.